I'm Dawn. This is Hudson Vintage. Thank you so much for watching. If you saw last week's video, then you saw me mention that this video was supposed to be about my Botox injections. I will be doing that next week. It takes 2 weeks for it to settle. Today is the last day of the second week. I will be doing a full evaluation and review of it tomorrow. I also said we were going to go thrifting. I went and visited my friend Danielle. She's been my best friend for over 40 years. Here is our thrifting adventures. We went to my favorite thrift store, which is the Hospice in Montclair, New Jersey, and also the Goodwill. And I got this, and this is a beaded tuxedo jacket. And this inspired me to pull everything here because I also mentioned that I really want to do an evening wear as day wear video. Everybody's got their holiday stuff out now. They save it all year and they put it out now. And I really believe that we can use all this all the time. Look how beautiful. This. This is a cocoon that you can wear long as a kimono. Again, it is amazing. Just a little nude mesh thing. So can't wait to get to that. In the meantime, here is what we thrifted, and I will say goodbye now. So thank you so much. I make videos every week. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
I see that vest. I like that vest already. Good color. Oh, look at that scarf. What color is this? That's a yes.
She's working full-time with benefits until she finds. They offer that for her to stay on until she finds. That's correct. Yeah. I thought I was thinking of something new. No, she doesn't want to stay at practice. Oh, I don't know.
Those are great. I love this. 8.5. Ooh, look at these.
No, they offer her sales and she didn't want that.
Look at how great these are. A heeled brogue. They don't really fit in a suitcase very well, do they? Ooh, I had in my mind that I wanted to look for sequins and sparkly. This is a dress. It is nice. Ooh, look at this. Sequins on lace. Oh my God. Look. I love that heel. Let me see from the side.
Which side?
The other side. That side, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. That's fantastic. Here, hold this. Look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's sequin on like a mesh lace.
That's
I wonder what size that is. That would work really great with the video that I want to do. The evening wear is day wear thing. Try that. Oh my God. It's short. Diane von Furstenberg. Oh, this is lovely. Look at the hats. I'm just starting a YouTube channel. And I don't know if you remember me. My name is Dawn. And I remember you because I remember your name, obviously. Yeah, I moved to California and I just started a YouTube channel. I closed my shop.
Are you back from California?
I'm visiting Danielle.
Yeah, visiting me.
I'm visiting my friend. I can.
Leave me your information and I'll subscribe.
Oh my God, that would be great. I like this puffed sleeve. Another quick scope. Okay, that pleated thing is pretty cute. Love the shimmer on this one. This might be totally wrong, but it says it's convertible. Look at the shimmer. So I have to try it. Look. This is vintage. Look at the trees. Okay, I love this. It's got label. Any good belts?
Yeah, those 80s door cones.
Oh my gosh, look at that belt. Okay, I don't need purple. Whatever that means. It's 80. It says 80s on it.
It says 80s?
No, Marciano.
Alright, I'm gonna go to dresses.
Do you want it? It is a really good one. Wait, let's show the back for the people. It's a really good one. It won't fit in my suitcase. Oh, it's a good color.
It's a good one.
It's polyester, but oh,
You see, you just throw it on over
no, it's good. This is a pajama style top. It's not pajamas. I think it's silk. Oh my God. Danielle! I just found the best thing. Okay. Yeah.
Wait, it's so
think they're putting stuff out as we go because I haven't seen them.
Medium and a large in the same exact new tag dress.
Oh wow. Those are some of them. Yeah.
This one's more
Oh yeah.
well, I'll try it.
I
Even
love
though
it.
I'm not crazy about showing my arms, I figure they're a little something.
Love it. And then wait, I have to show you this vintage sweater. This is really good. Look at this. This is really, look at the velvet. Very pretty. Isn't it gorgeous? It is gorgeous. And then I want to show you the sweater. Look. This is 70s knitted in the industry holiday. It's Wisconsin. Very handmade. It might be good to work with. Look what I just found. Isn't that beautiful? I love this pajama top. You gotta see it. Okay, this velvet shirt is gorgeous. And I think you might want it. It's a little, it's really, I love the way it reflects silver. But it's really big. Like, it's very, very flowy.